This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
Welcome back, Road Warriors. This is Battle 16, and our first race tonight we see Crazy Jordan on 10 points, going head-to-head with TJ Gonzo on 14. All cars are in good shape, and let's get ready to rock and roll. Crazy Jordan bringing home the first points for Hot Wheel Boys. Let's get back up the top and have a look at this scrappy bit of driving. Both cars just savagely having a hard time out of turn one. This season of Road Warriors is really putting the cars and teams to the limit. And TJ Gonzo squares up the first race out of Battle 16. I'm thinking Road Warriors Season 4, we're going to go for a new format. 21 races is just too much for builders and cars to race over this season. The yellow Lamborghini's up front on 9 points. This is Marco Mappelli going up against Lily the Dog and 100 Bones, weighing 56 grams. They're at the start gate and let's get going. Lily taking line on us here, however, Marco Mappelli struggling right from the start gate. Let's go back. Oh, here he is. He's made it down to the bottom. Let's have a look at this. Lily's right out front in a perfect position. Mappelli's just slapping himself all over the track. I think by reducing this tournament down to 10 races, cars will perform better. Oh, it's a double DNF. We don't often see this here on Mount Western Raceway. Mappelli's decided to go right, slams into the back of Lily. That's the end of him at turn 1. Lily out of turn 2, and she's rolling over. Look at that big slide down to the garages. Blue Line Racing is right up front, equal with Variant Skunkworks, leading the tournament at the moment, going up against Jack Sparrow on 15 points. This will be very interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Blue Line crossing in a 10-160. What happened to Jack Sparrow out of turn 2? Let's go back and have a look at this. Blue Line's in front. Jack Sparrow goes down low. Oh, he's right on the rim of the track and almost goes over. Both these cars are holding up well considering we're at Battle 16. Blue Line Racing doing the double. This will put him on 23 points right out front at the moment. And what happened to Jack Sparrow? He had the finish line right in front of him, does a big 180, pulls up there, and there goes Blue Line Racing slamming into him. And here's your other tournament leader, Variant Skunkworks on 21 in the Naked Evo, going up against Po Boy Racing in the Fat Fended 40. He's on 18 points. Po Boy Racing stealing the show away from the champion, Variant Skunkworks. What happened to Variant? Goes in front of Po Boy. Has a nice line. Look at Po Boy take that nice bottom line. And he's driving him backwards. Okay, now this means Blue Line Racing is the current leader. Variant Skunkworks showing us how it's done, hitting the back wall and going off the track. Look at the time, an 8.640. That's pretty good considering the last couple of battles. Looking at the replay here, you can see Po Boy Racing trying to line himself up in that inside manoeuvre. On the inside is Chuck's Garage, weighing 79 grams on 13 points, going up against Cut Rock Racing on 17 points and weighing 84 grams. Good solid racing again by Team Cut Rock Racing. Although the times are not reflecting this, are they? The cars are getting slower. You can see here they're getting into trouble down the bottom. I'm surprised they both actually made it down to the end of the track after that race. Cut Rock Racing's on the inside. That's a better time there, a 9.320, and the big double points, which will certainly push him up towards the top of the board. Look at the line that Cut Rock does. He crosses over to the left, decides he's going to go high. This really sets him up perfectly out of that turn 1. Next up is 2D in the Huff on 17 points, going up against Crazy Canuck on 5 points. 68 grams versus 102. They're at the start gate. Let's get going. .2D crosses very comfortably in the 9.280. Crazy Canuck, however, gets stuck up at turn 1. He's in a beautiful position here and he just clips the back of 2D. That just spins him out of control and unable to get through that turn. Crazy Canuck's on the inside. And the big double there for the Huff for 2D for 100 proof racing. And Crazy Canuck made it down the bottom. Congratulations. He's in a good position here, Crazy Canuck. However, just slams into the bottom. And once you've done that, you just can't get through that turn quick enough. This is DJ Triple J on the inside on 18 points in slick, going up against the Aussie Lucas on 10 points. This one's weighing 50 grams and he's having a fantastic season so far. Oh, Lucas just takes this one across the line, and here comes DJ and Slick. Not a bad time, a 9.920. Look how fast Lucas gets off that start gate and into turn 1. Picks a nice line, slams into that sidewall, does slow him down a bit. Lucas is on the inside. What can DJ do? Oh, perfect run there by DJ Triple J and Slick. Let's go back and look at this replay because I want to just have a look and see how he took that turn on the inside. Check this out. Sets himself up perfectly here. Oh, look at that swing, and that's what the Blackfire tyres will do to your vehicle. In this battle is Mad Mike and Max on 9 points, going up against Tito Racing and Sonic Evo on 19 points. It's the Green Light Falcon versus the Lancer Evolution. Tito Racing coming home. It's good to see times under 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, this late in the season. What happened up here? The Falcon, Mad Max. Oh, he's in trouble when he hits the bottom and he rolls over. Rightio, here we go. Tito Racing on the inside, Mad Max on the outside. A nice double pointer there for Tito Racing. However, Mad Max, what happened to you, mate? Let's go back at the replay. He's in a good position here, hits that sidewall again, and that just slows him right down. Red Light Savage Inc. up front on 16 points in that mighty 29 crew cab. Going up against Warpig 76 on 14 points, and Warpig's car weighs 80 grams. Yes, a good win there for Warpig 76, a sub 10 seconder. What happened up the top? You can see Redline Savage Inc. just hugging the side rails, and that's just pulled up his speed. And considering the weight of the 29 crew cab, that'll slow him right down. Warpig 76 with plenty of juice behind the wheel this late in the season, bringing that home in the 9.280. Back at the replay here, Redline crosses over, tries to get some more speed, but just not enough to get through turn 1. Pain MD on the inside and Sapphire on 16 points, weighing 64 grams, going up against Hot Car Track in 15 points, weighing 55 grams. Not much between these two. Hot Car Track lucky to win that one. Let's go back up and look at the replay. Pain MD was right out front, choked in that turn. This just left it wide open for Hot Car Track to sneak past him. And unfortunate there for Pain MD, who was on the outside in this race. Pain MD's off the track and Hot Car Track has rolled over. Oh man, this is a double DNF tonight. Let's go back. Hot Car Track's on the inside. Looks like he just caught those rocks. Pain MD has decided he's in a good shape to keep going. And what happens here? Oh, back ends it, flips over. Oh man, that was a bad stack. Both cars almost the same size and weight. James Kirk is on 16 points, 104 grams. Metal Mania 3D, 113 grams and 15 points. A sensational smooth ride there by James Kirk around Mount Western Raceway. What happened to Metal Mania 3D? He's in a good position. Oh, he just goes down low and that just forces him into the side of the track. This is the last race for Battle 16. No problems there for Metal Mania 3D. A little slam off the back wall onto those rocks. He squares up the last race in Battle 16. James Kirk's got a nice run, however, goes up high. And you think he's got a clear run out of here. However, Metal Mania 3D just sneaks past him and takes the win. Here's your leaders board, and we do have a new leader. This is Blue Line Racing. Congratulations, sitting on 23. Variant Skunkworks on 22. Tito on 21. Power Drive 19. Cut Rock 19. Po Boy 19. 100 Proof 19. And there's the rest of the field as we scroll through it. Battle 16, we're getting so close to the end, folks. Anything can happen here on Mount Western Raceway and Road Warriors Season 3. Battle 16 tonight, and the fastest time was held by Variant Skunkworks in the Naked Evo, an 8.640, and a nice little stack at the end as well. The stack of the night has to go to Pain MD. Look at that, the big flip over, the big rollover right down the truck turning circle. Let's go again. How did he get himself into that position? We will never know. Well, that's the end of Battle 16. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and until Battle 17, I will catch you later.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.